Dropping to your knees, huh?
Yeah.
What's the next one?
V squats.
Okay,
Renegade rows.
V squats or renegade rows, 4 of each. Turn your toes out. Okay. Exhale. Good job. Keep those hips level. You can do it. Exhale, hands up to forehead. Don't lean back. Keep it strong. Couple more. Getting kind of low there. Renegade row. Go. Good job. What's the next one?
Nothing. Jump.
Lunge.
Lunge.
Okay.
Okay.
Get into lunge position. Jump it 4 times.
And then 10.
Mountain climbers.
Mountain climbers.
Jump it. No fair holding on. Stay vertical. Come on, a couple more. Jump lunge, go. No holding. Woo, good job.